guys, welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to prepare some steamed cabbage at home. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get notified when I upload all my contents. All that I'll be using to prepare my steamed cabbage will be listed down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and get the full ingredients.
Java Beats exclusive.
Now here's all my ingredients that I'll be using to prepare my steamed cabbage. Here I got my shredded cabbage. I got some chopped onion, some chopped garlic. You'll be needing some salt, some black pepper. You'll be needing some chopped carrot, some all-purpose seasoning. Here I got my sweet peppers that I've cut up. And here I got some chopped broccoli that I'll be using, some chopped tomatoes, and some fresh thyme. All the measurement for my ingredients will be listed down in the description box. Now you want to go ahead and get your pot where you'll be steaming all your vegetables in. You want to make sure your fire is on a medium-low heat. To that now you want to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, guys, you can use coconut oil or sunflower oil. You just want to preheat this now for about a minute or two. So guys, just leave it here. Now my oil, my pot is preheated for a minute or two. Just want to go ahead and add your chopped onions to that, guys. Just want to spread those around, saute them. And make sure you stir them around so they don't burn, guys, and stick to the bottom of your pot. And you want to go in with your chopped carrots. This guys, you know these take longer to cook, so you want to add them in. So just in the meanwhile they're cooking, you want to make sure you stir them around. Just want to leave these to cook for about a minute or two. Yes, guys. And make sure your fire is on a medium low heat. You don't want it to burn. Guys, make sure your carrots are all coated into that olive oil. Guys, that's how you want to do it. Make sure you stir them around for that minute or two now. Now you just want to go in with your bell peppers. Guys, just mix those around too. Add your chopped garlic at the same time now. This garlic will give it a lovely flavor too. Wow, you can smell those carrots already, guys, steaming. Smells so nice. Very good. Just make sure you keep stirring them around, guys, so they do not burn. You just want to go in with your thymes, yes, guys. I'm not going to put the stem in here, I'm just going to take them off like that, guys. I'm telling you guys, it's smelling so amazing in the kitchen. Just mix those around. So you want to go in with your broccolis, guys. Just mix those around. Add the rest of my thyme. Remember, guys, don't put the stem in there. Just take off the leaves off of it. This one is for all my vegan lovers or my vegetarians. Yes, guys, this is a perfect meal to prepare when you're in a family. Yes, Guys, I'll just add my tomatoes in. Just want to mix those around into it. You know, guys, these vegetables are smelling so nice. Wow, I wish I was in the kitchen to smell this aroma, guys. It's smelling amazing. And you want to go in with your cabbage. Like that, guys. And watch the amount of cabbage, guys. It will be steamed down to shrink after a while. Yes, guys. Can't hold everything, but just gonna steam down, guys. Don't worry. Don't watch the amount that's in there. Just going to cover up this for about a minute or two. Leave it to steam. I'm checking back on my cabbage, guys. As you can see, it has reduced a bit. I'm just going to go ahead and just mix that around now. Just mix up that cabbage, all of that carrot, what's underneath, put it on top. Mix them together. That, guys, looking beautiful. Smelling amazing, guys, I'm telling you. Smelling so nice. You just want to go in with your all-purpose seasoning. Give it some flavor, guys. Also your black pepper. And your salt. I just want to mix that around now, guys. As I'm telling you, the aroma that's coming from these vegetables, I'm telling you, guys, it's smelling so nice. This one is a perfect one for my vegan lovers, and especially the vegetarians. Guys. Now I'll be adding some butter to that now. Adding about a tablespoon of butter. The butter is just going to give it a lovely flavor, guys. I'm telling you. Now I'm just going to cover this up and leave it for the next 3 minutes to steam, and I'll get back to you. Now here you have it, guys. After leaving my butter to melt down into my cabbage, you want to go ahead and stir that around, guys. Butter is what's going to give it a lovely flavor also, guys, as I said before. So make sure you stir that around. Guys, you don't want your vegetable to be too saggy. You just want to make sure they have a little crunch into it. Yes, guys, you don't want it too saggy. It's up to you, guys, how you want it. And also my broccoli is optional, guys. You don't really have to add your broccoli to it. But I have it in the fridge. So I said, why not just add it to it? As I'm telling you, wow, I can smell that black pepper, that all-purpose season, and especially that butter inside of my steamed cabbage. So guys, this is how you want to prepare it. For all my vegetarian, this is a perfect meal to prepare. Guys, taste some of my cabbage, so it's tasting like. Guys, wow, tasting amazing, guys. Now I'm just going to leave this for 5 more minutes to steam down some more, and I'll get right back to you, guys. Now checking back on my vegetables. Yes, guys, after that 5 minutes. Wow, guys, I'm telling you, I wish I was in here to smell this aroma, guys. It's smelling really amazing. And also, guys, when you leave your vegetables to steam, you want to make sure you keep stirring them around so they do not stick to the bottom of the pot and burn. And I almost forgot, I'm adding some chili flakes to mine. It's not too late to add it in, just to give it a little spice. Guys, I didn't have any Scotch bonnet pepper, so I said let me use my chili flakes and add it to it, just to give it a little spice into it, guys. Wow, telling you, this one is for my vegan lovers and all my vegetarian guys. This one is perfect. Let's give this a taste because I think it is finished now. That's right. It's all perfect. Now it's time to turn this off and share it out and let you guys see. Wow, this is what I'm talking about, guys. I'm telling you, it's really smelling so amazing. This is how you want to prepare your steamed cabbage at home for you and the family, or even yourself. I can't wait to have this with some fried dumpling. Or if you don't want to have it with fried dumpling, guys, you can try it with rice, boiled dumpling, even bread. It's up to you guys, or even some festival. Have it with it, or you can have it on its own. Yes, guys, this is how you want to prepare that steamed vegetable with all those rest of vegetable that you put in there and the rest of spices. It's so amazing and smelling so nice, guys. It's perfect. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit me up in the comment section, guys. Tell me what you think about this steamed cabbage when you give it a try at home. Until next time, thanks for watching.